Here I have ASUS ZenFone 5Z, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. At the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen. Let me swipe to the left, choose ASUS folder, and let's open the calculator. So right now let me show you the secret code to open the test menu. So you need to use this code .12345 plus is equal. Alright, this is MMI Test, so this is like the hardware test mode. Here you can read a couple of useful information. You can use the CPU usage or check out the battery level. You can also use more key to see test result, to clear cache, or to reset the following menu. You can also perform all tests, so you can test all hardware features of the device, or you can simply choose single test. So by using single test, you can here test the fingerprint, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, SIM card, touch, camera, keypad, vibration. For example, let me tap the vibration test, let me choose start. As you can see the information about the results. You can test again. You can here also test the speaker. So if the sound is okay, let's tap pass. You can also use the speaker test, receiver test, camera, display, and other stuff as well. Let's go back to quit this mode. And now it's time to use other secret codes. In order to do it, let's open the phone's dialer and let's use the Android testing menu. You need to use this code *##4636 *##. The Android testing menu pops up. Here you can choose device information, you can read the email number, phone number, current network. You can run a ping test or use more key in order to view SIM address, view fixed dialing numbers, or enable data connection. Let's go back. You can also here use user statistics. Here you can read the important information about your apps. You can read the last time used or usage time. You may also here tap Wi-Fi information when you can choose Wi-Fi API. So here you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, or get configured networks. You can also use here Wi-Fi config to read configured networks information, or you can choose Wi-Fi status to read statistics about your Wi-Fi. You can also here refresh, start, or run a ping test. Use back key to quit this menu. Now it's time to check out the calendar info, so all you need to do is use this code *##225 *##. As you can see, calendar info pops up, so here you can read important information from your calendar, such as events, for example. Let's go back. Now it's time to check out the Google Play service mode, so let's use *##426 *##. That's it. The Google Play service pops up. Here you can choose ping, connect, disconnect, or events. You may also check out the email number by using secret code, so all you need to do is use this code *##06#, and the email number just pops up in front of you. Tap OK to confirm the operation. Now you can start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.